Hi guys, happy 2020. To kick off the new year, I'm going to be showing you how I create this soft glam eye makeup look. Okay, I'm going to start off by priming my lids with my NARS smudge proof eyeshadow base, blending that out with my finger. Okay, so I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows in the shade called 3 Deep Neutrals. And the first shade I'm going to take is this neutral brown. It's called Nude Booty. I'm going to be placing this into my crease with a fluffy crease brush. And I'm going to be blending this up to the brow bone. This just helps me get a little bit more lid space to work with. I actually use this palette just because the colors work so well together and they complement each other, but feel free to use whatever palette you want. These are shades that you can find in probably any eyeshadow palette that you own. Next, I'm going to take this eyeshadow called Fire Freak. It's a medium dark orange matte. Taking this on a denser crease brush, I'm going to be applying this color straight into the crease just to bring in some warmth and depth into the eye look. I'm going in with that neutral brown that I first used, and I'm just blending this around the edges so that it creates a softer look, making sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm using the shade called No Fudge Given. It's a deep brown matte shade. I'm taking this on a tapered blending brush, applying this to the outer V just to darken the look up a bit. For my favorite part, it's going to be the lid color. I'm using a cream stick shadow today. This one is by Mercier in the shade called Copper. I'm just applying this straight on from the stick and then blending this out with a shader brush. You can build this up as much as you like, depending on how intense you want the color. I want mine to pop a bit more, so I'm just going to layer it on again and blend it out with the shading brush again. So we lost a little bit of that darker shade on the outer V, so I'm just going back in with the Fudge shade and reapplying that back in the outer V. So the eye look is pretty much done. I'm just prepping my eyelashes for some falsies, just applying some mascara and then going in with my favorite kind of natural glam lashes, which is the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes. Eyes are done, so moving on to the lips, I'm taking my NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dance Fever. I kind of just wanted to go for a kind of perfect nude. The colors that I'm going to be using actually match my lip color perfectly. So it's nothing really dramatic. So I'm just lining my lips with the lip pencil and then I'm going to go in with the gloss. This is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Gloss in 1993. As you can see, it's the perfect shade for my lips. It's the same shade as my lips, basically. So just to keep with that soft glam kind of look, just wanted to keep it as, quote, natural as possible. And there you have it, a quick and easy soft glam eye makeup tutorial that is very beginner friendly if you're just starting to get into makeup. And before I end this video, comment down below if you like voiceover or talk through tutorials or maybe both. So let me know in the comment box and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.